Would you like to be 103 and know all the answers to life, yet have very little money? Or be 16, never know life's secrets, yet have $1 million? Okay, let's talk about this, yes? Would. It's a W hand up here on the same side by your jaw, and it comes out to a D hand. Would. You. Like. It's a 5 hand. Your middle finger and your thumb are going to touch as you pull it away from your body for like. Two. B. It's a B hand, and you're going to twist it so your fingers are out and your palm is to the opposite side. B. 103. 100. It's a C hand. It goes across to the side of the same side for 100. 100 and 3. 103. 103. And no. Take your flat hand, bend it, put your fingertips right here on the same side. No. All. This one's challenging for some people. So your support hand palm is facing in towards your body. Your lead hand palm is facing out, and you're going to take your lead hand all the way around your support hand. Okay? And while you do that, it's going to change, and so that it is ending facing, having your palm face your body. So it begins with your palm out, and it goes around and ends up facing my body. It's for all. Do you see? All. The answers. Answer is your one hand, and you're going to bend it like an X hand, really, and then straighten it so that it's kind of out like that. Answer. Answers. Two. Life. They're L hands. Put your palms in towards your body and bring your L hands up your body on their sides. Life. Yet. So it's a Y hand, and you're going to swing it back so your palm is going to end up facing behind you. Yet. And it starts with your palm is facing down and then back. Yet. Have. So bend your hand, put your fingertips right here on your shoulder blade. Have. Very. The V hands, put the fingers together like this and bring them up as though you have a V in the air, and you're going up each side of the V with your V hands. Very little. Start in an L hand, bring it down. So you're showing that it's a little. Money. Your lead hand fingers touch your thumb, and your palm is up, and you're going to do this in your support hand. Money. Or O to R, or B. B, 16, 6 and teen, 16, 16, never, never. So you're going to go across and down, across from the opposite side of your body to the same side, and then down. Never. Your palm is down when you're going across the top, and then it turns to your opposite side as you go from top to bottom. Never, 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 no, lives, life, and then the possessive form, lives, lives, secrets, secret, secret, then a hand, thumb taps your lips, secret, secrets, secrets, yet, yet, have, a, million, million. So take your one hand, your finger is out, palm is to the opposite side, and mill. And the sign mill right here, mill. Million, 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 dollars, dollars. So I'm going to grab my fingers as though they're my money, and I'm going to take it like that. Dollar, dollar, dollars, dollars, dollars. Okay, ready to try? Practice with me. Would you like to be 103 and know all the answers to life, yet have very little money, or be 16, never know life's secrets, yet have $1 million. Or would you like to be 103 and know all the answers to life, yet have very little money? Or be 16, never know life's secrets, yet have $1 million?